Hey guys, Earth Day is this month. We should do something to show our appreciation for the Earth.
We can start good habits like investing in refillable water bottles or reusable grocery bags.
We can help recycle, teach others about taking care of our environment, or volunteer.
Let's go see if anyone in our community needs some help.
Hey neighbor, what are you doing for Earth Day?
I have a bunch of seeds to plant, but I don't know where or how to plant them.
Hey, we can help with that.
First step is finding a good spot to plant the seeds. With a little attention, this spot could be perfect.
Ew, what do you mean? This is a mess. It's completely covered in garbage.
Hey, come on now guys. With a little bit of work, we can work together to clean this up.
This looks amazing. This is just what I needed for my seeds. Can we start planting now?
Not quite. The ground needs hydration from a good spring storm.
I see thunderhead clouds off in the distance. It shouldn't be long now.
It's perfect. Now we can plant.
It shouldn't be long until the flowers start to grow, mates.
Come into the Kohl Science Lab during the month of April to sign your own process during Earth Day.